Hey everyone, today's project sold instantly, not because it was an amazing project, but because somebody was looking for it. It's a little hack for you guys if you're looking for projects to sell and you don't feel like selling. So every day I spend probably 15 to 20 minutes just browsing through Facebook projects. Generally, I'm just looking for ideas to see what's selling in my local markets, but every now and then I click on a project because it interests me, and then it says, in search of. To make this project, I need a 1x8, but I don't need that much. When I was picking out the lumber, I grabbed the worst possible one I could, because stupid. All right, so I got a decent piece here. It's not amazing. I'm going to be measuring up 10 inches. I'm gonna do this in a weird, wasteful way. I'm gonna cut 3 of these to 10 inches. Yeah. And I know what you're thinking. He's gonna do it again. He's gonna do the slap on the miter saw and do his little theme song. I'm gonna do it. All right, to heck with this. I've got to fix these boards. They are not usable in their current state. So I'm going to joint and plane them, but just buy straight wood. All right, they're not perfect, but they're a million times better. So now we can actually get on with our measuring, which is kind of the only thing you have to do. After you have your 10-inch pieces, we're just gonna do some measuring, punch some holes, drill some holes. So it's gonna be pretty easy. All right, so I'm going to measure in 2 inches here. And we're gonna do that on all 3 of our pieces. Then I'm gonna mark my lines. Okay, so measuring in from one side, we're going to go to 1 1/4 inch, and then 2 1/2 inches, and then 3 5/8 of an inch, 4 3/4 of an inch, and then at 6 inches. And we're gonna repeat that on all of them. All right, so we're gonna drill our holes now before we cut our dowels. Now for one of these boards, you need a 7/8 inch bit, and you're going to be drilling all the way through that piece of wood. Now for each of these next holes, I'm just going to drill as deep as the collar here, just so I can keep it nice and consistent. Okay, before we cut our dowels to size, there's just a little bit more cutting I need to do. So for this guy right here, he's going to be my end piece, and I'm gonna have him shorter, or it. I keep calling it a him. It's a piece of wood. It's not a person. It's my only friend though. Oh, and you guys are my friends. All right, so for this end piece, I'm going to measure up just 5 inches, and I'm going to cut that right there. Now for the one where we drilled holes straight through, we're actually going to do something slightly different. We're gonna measure up 1 inch from the bottom. So let's make those 2 cuts. I've been flipping this board in the air for a while. If you guys can do me a really quick favor and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of June. We're at 3.5, almost 3.6 thousand as of right this second, and it would help me out so much. Thank you very much, and let's move on in the video. Okay, we're just going to do some roundovers on these top corners, and then we're going to glue this guy up. So let's go do that. All right, I'm just going to add a roundover, make it look a little bit nicer. I also decided I would do a round over with my router. Every project I do gets a rating. I sold this project for $50 and it didn't require any stain or finish or anything. However, because of the nature of how I sold it, I could only give it 3.5 stars. All right, now we're gonna stick these two pieces of wood together like hot dogs and mustard.
What?
Just a touch of glue. This is more than a touch of glue. This is a lot of glue. Too much glue. Oh no. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Oh dear. All right, just like that. And we're gonna take our dowlies. Just gonna slide them in to these holes. Oh my gosh, so much glue. Now I don't want this to fall straight on it, so I'm actually just gonna put a block here because I don't want it to get glued to the bottom. Now, it's a neat little project. I really like these projects where I get to build something new that I haven't done before. All right, everyone, and just like that, our project is done. You're just starting out and you're trying to find projects to make money. Woodworking, this is how I would recommend you do it. Instead of following those $1,000 from this board videos, which I followed a lot of those videos, you followed a lot of those videos, and I make those videos. You can keep watching them, but instead of necessarily following them along, I'll give one quick piece of advice. If you do follow those along, words, only make one. Every time, just make one and try it out. Never go, what's the saying? Ice cream to the stomach with it. Just make one. And you can even cheat a little bit and take a picture or a screenshot of the project from the video and use that as your advertisement. My next tip, and the way that I would recommend you do it, especially if you're just starting off, look for people who need something made. Sell your skills as a woodworker to create something for them instead of selling an object or hoping to sell an object that you made to people. It's a guaranteed sale. You can get a deposit, which will cover your cost of material and your labor, which basically means you get paid regardless if they want the rest of the project when it's done. And it's just a way better way for you to do it. And it's how I would recommend doing it. Thank you all for watching. And if there's nothing else, as always, I will see you in the next one.